So I decided to stop to my local GameStop and pick these bad boys up because it was definitely game time. Final Fantasy Rebirth just came out and I pretty much played every single one of them, so why not make this experience sexy? Just got off work, racing to get home.
Try to get some Final Fantasy. Final Fantasy.
With a new pair of headphones. Hell yeah, let's go! Fuck that bag. So this is the PlayStation Pulse Elite for PlayStation 5, and I heard a lot of good things about this. So I said, why not buy it and give it a try? So inside contains instructions on how to put it together. Here's the headphones. Here's the USB jack. It looks clean, baby. It looks clean. Let me take these off real quick. Ooh, look at how clean that baby looks. Look at that. Wow. That looks really nice. It fits all head sizes. That's what that second band on it is, if you see it. And it fit my head perfect. So take two. So this is how it actually looks with those things taken off. Again, this looks very clean. I love it so far. Look at that. Ain't she a beaut? So inside the box, we have a cable and a little booklet. So this also comes in the box, a wall mount charger for the headphones. Here's an example of how it looks. If I were to put it on my wall, it would look like this, but I'm not putting a hole through my wall, so fuck all of that. So this is a major upgrade for me because I was using my PlayStation 4 headphones for years. Now I can retire these bad boys. So after I installed both discs to the PlayStation to play Final Fantasy Rebirth, the sound quality was truly amazing, something amazing to experience. And I definitely enjoyed these headphones with it. Like, I felt like I was a part of the action. I felt like I was a part of Midgar when all of this was going on. I felt like I was there every step of the way because you have the controller rumbling in your hand and you also have the clean sound effects, and just the sound itself sounded like everything you can imagine. In my opinion, these are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. Jay out.